All right, what is going on again? It is Bruno Morini here. I'm going to do another video to show you guys a part 2 as to how to navigate Zoom, because I totally skipped it last one, but this one is going to be how to share your screen if you need to, so that you can walk somebody through something or show them something on a whiteboard style thing, and it's a very simple way to do it, so it's going to be a very short video. I just started a new Zoom meeting, and I am logged in on my phone as well, so that I can have a participant in there so that I can show you. So if you're here in Zoom, you're the host. Down here, as we mentioned earlier, is where all of your settings for the Zoom are, right? And so participants are here again. Recordings are here, reactions are here if you want to throw like thumbs up or a clap, anything that you want. But one of the sweetest features I think that Zoom has is the ability to screen share, which means that you can actually show what you are doing on your screen, or you can show whiteboard style settings, I guess. So if you're here, you're going to see a green arrow down here that says share screen. When you press that arrow, it brings up all of these separate options as to what you want to share. So example, here you can show your desktop, and it tells you here desktop, and then following one you can show a whiteboard, and then if you just want to show what is on your screen on your browser, you can go to Google Chrome, and then it shows everything that's on there. So what you want to do is press which setting you want to do. So in this case, I want to show my screen. So I will double click desktop, and when you do that, it brings up your desktop here. Now, your settings are going to go from the bottom of the screen, see it's no longer there, to the top of your screen here. So settings, mics are here, videos are here, participants are here, pause to share, make notes, anything of that sort, right? So sharing your screen, it means exactly that it is recording your screen. So if I want to go anywhere else, for example, let's just go to zoom.com and show you guys how zoom.com works. Bam, 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 bam. We're there, you're seeing it and seeing everything that I'm doing as I'm showing it, okay? Very simple. So you can use that so that you can show any sort of specific thing, or how to do something specific, or if you have some sort of PDF or document that you want to help people see or understand, you can do it that way. Now, when you're done sharing your screen, simply enough, press this red button here that says stop share, and when you do it, we stop sharing. Now, another feature that sharing screen has is that when you press share screen, you can also do a whiteboard, which means that it's exactly that, a whiteboard, where it brings up a whiteboard and you can essentially show them anything that you want. You can draw, you can write. Sometimes it looks a little bit weird, but you can change the color, you can erase, do a lot of stuff like that if you want to. If so up here you can do it with text if you want, you can type. So sort of that's another way in which you can help educate your audience, help educate your people. You can save anything that you wrote or that you did. You can redo, undo, change the color, do a whole bunch of things. And if you want to say that we're drawing, blah 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 blah, wait, drawing, right? If we want to erase this whole screen, we can just press clear all drawings, and we're right back to the whiteboard. And that is an extra feature that Zoom has. Very cool, very fun if that's something that you want to use. So that's it. Enjoy.